Whoa! Did you hear that? That sounded scary. Do you know what animal that is? I'll give you a clue. It starts with this letter. The letter A. Let's trace it together. Ready? Start at the top. Draw a line down and to the left. Then, let's go back to the top and draw a line down and to the right. Now, draw a line across the middle. You did it! Nice work! Whoa! Look at that! It's an alligator. Can you say alligator? Repeat after me. Alligator. One more time. Alligator. Now all together. Alligator. Did you know alligators belong to a group of animals called reptiles? This group also includes snakes, lizards, and turtles. Alligators like to live in freshwater environments like swamps, rivers, lakes, and ponds. Alligators are excellent swimmers. They use their strong tails to push them through the water quickly. Wow! Wasn't that fun learning about alligators? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning adventures. Thanks for learning with us. Bye!